Hello, welcome again. We are solving GATE 2023 Mechanical Engineering paper. Question number 49 is consider the second order linear ordinary differential equation x square d square y by dx square plus x dy by dx minus y is equal to 0, x being greater than equal to 1 with the initial condition y bracket x plus 1 function of x plus 1 is equal to 6 when x is 1, y is 6, and dy by dx when x is 1 is equal to 2. The value of y at x is equal to 2 equals dash, answer in integer. So here the given equation is x square d square y by dx square plus x dy by dx minus y is equal to 0. Assume that x is equal to e raised to power t, and in this type of equation when x square d square by dx square is there, assume like that x is equal to e raised to power t and dx by dt is equal to et, and this is et is e raised to power t is also x, so it is x, or we can write it as dx is equal to x dt. Okay, so uh, now dy by dx will be dy by dx is if we multiply dy, sorry, if we divide dy by dx here, so we divide dy by x dt because dx is equal to x dt. Okay, so now this will become, this x can come here, so x dy by dx will be equal to dy by dt, and this dy by dt can be written as dy, capital dy, d is dy by dt. Okay, so dy by dx is equal to 1 by x dx dy by dt. So dy by dx is equal to 1 by x dy by dt. Okay, and differentiating again, now this dy by dx can be written as 1 by x dy by dt. Now we have write out this also, this x square d square y by dx. So differentiating it again, d square by dx square, now this consists of two terms using product rule. It will be 1 by x d square by dt square, and partial differentiation, so it's by chain rule, sorry, d square by dt square dt by dx, and now this term will remain same and its differentiation is minus 1 by x. Okay, so now dt by dx is dt by dx is 1 by x. So this dt by dx can be written as 1 by x, or here it will be 1 by x square d square by dt square minus 1 by x square d by dt. Okay, so this will be d square y by dt x square is equal to 1 by x square d square y by dt square minus 1 by x square d by dt. Okay, so now this x square can come here, so x square d square y by dt square d square y by dt square minus d by dt. So this is d square y, because d by dt is d, capital D, so this is d square y and this is dy, or this can be written as d can be taken out of d can be taken as common, so this can be written as d bracket d minus 1 y. So x square d square y by dt square can be written as d minus 1. Okay, and x dy by dx, this is dy by dx, x dy by dx can be written as dy. So this is x dy by dx is dy, this is d minus d bracket d minus 1 y. Okay, and okay, so now or we can directly remember this, if we don't want to do this, so when there is multiplication of x square and double differentiation of y is the square, so we can directly remember this. We can directly put x square d square y by dt square as d minus 1 y, and x dy by dx as dy. Okay, and uh, and form the equation. So here D will be your here, sorry, here x is your VT, that you have to remember. Okay. So putting this, finding the value of D, so D comes as plus minus 1, putting in the equation this value, and y is already there. Okay, so and finding the D or m1 m2 is 1 minus 1. So solution of this is y is equal to c1 e raised to t mx, m1 is 1 plus c2 e raised to minus mx minus t. So e raised to t is x, that we have assumed x is that's why we have put this, and e raised to minus t is just 1 by x. Okay. So now according to given condition, x is equal to 1, when x is 1, y is 6. When x is 1, y is 6. So this is c1 plus c2 is your 6. And when x is 1, dy by dx is 2. So y is this quantity, so dy by dx is c1, the position with c1 minus c2 x square. So putting now dy by dx is to c1 minus c2. Okay. Solving these two, so this is 2, this is 3. Solving these two, we get c1 as 4 and c2 as 2. So now the y becomes y is c1x plus c2 by x. c1 is 4, c2 is 2. Y is 4x plus 2 by x. And now we have to find out y at x equal to. So y is your 4 into 2 plus 2 by 2, that is answer is 9. So y is 9.